What if the most advanced feature in your bathroom wasn't visible, but experienced? Thoughtfully designed, effortlessly intelligent, unmistakably TOTO. In exceptional spaces, every detail matters, especially the ones you interact with every day. TOTO is globally recognized for blending advanced engineering with thoughtful design. The Drake Collection with Washlet S7 and S7A represents a seamless balance of innovation, sustainability, and elevated comfort. At the heart of each model is TOTO's Washlet technology, an intuitive system designed to deliver a refined, personalized experience. Select models feature EWATER plus TOTO's proprietary system that uses electrolyzed water to gently cleanse the bowl and bidet wand after each use. A self-sustaining approach to hygiene without chemicals. Engineered for performance and responsibility, the Drake Collection delivers powerful flushing at 1.28 or 1.6 gallons per flush, supporting water conservation without compromising reliability. With elongated bowls, universal and chair height options, and 10-inch rough-in availability, the Drake series integrates effortlessly into both new construction and renovation projects. Chosen by architects, designers, and discerning homeowners, TOTO fixtures elevate the everyday, transforming routine moments into considered experiences. Experience the quiet luxury of intelligent design. Discover the TOTO Drake Collection, where innovation meets enduring comfort. Visit Saksby.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.